In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneNote from auto-capitalizing. If OneNote keeps changing the first letter of your sentences to uppercase, and that's not how you want to write, don't worry. This is a built-in autocorrect setting, and you can turn it off in just a moment. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update the setting and get back to typing the way you prefer. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're using the desktop version of OneNote, since that's where this setting is typically managed. Once your notebook is open, you'll be ready to adjust the app's writing and correction preferences. Next, go to the top left corner of the OneNote window and click File. This will open the main menu area where OneNote stores account settings, app preferences, and other configuration options. If you've never used this section before, that's completely fine. We're only changing one specific setting. From the File menu, click Options. This opens the OneNote Options window, which contains several categories of settings related to how the app behaves. You may see areas for display, save options, language preferences, and more. For this task, we'll focus on the proofing section since auto-capitalization is part of OneNote's text correction tools. In the Options window, select Proofing. This section controls spelling, autocorrect, and other typing-related features. If OneNote is making automatic changes while you type, there's a good chance the setting you want is here. Now click Autocorrect Options. A new window will appear with several checkboxes that control automatic formatting and correction behavior. These settings are designed to help many users type more efficiently, but depending on your writing style, they can sometimes be more distracting than helpful. Look for the option labeled Capitalize First Letter of Sentences and uncheck it. By turning this off, OneNote will stop automatically converting the first letter of a sentence into a capital letter. This can be especially useful if you're taking notes in a style that uses lowercase intentionally, or if you simply want more control over your formatting. Once you've unchecked that option, click OK. This confirms the autocorrect change and closes the window. If needed, click OK again in the main options window to save and exit completely. That's it. OneNote should now stop auto-capitalizing the first letter of your sentences. If the change doesn't seem to apply right away, try clicking back into your notebook and typing a new sentence to test it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.